Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of E major. We will cover both 2-octave formula pattern scales and 4-octave. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the notes in an E major scale. So Do, E, Re, F sharp, Mi, G sharp, Fa, A, So, B, La, C sharp, T, D sharp, and Do, E. And this scale will use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingering in both hands. So cross with 3 first and then cross with 4. Lots of scales have that fingering. And so there's a few things you want to keep in mind when you're learning these formula pattern scales. The first is, are your hands playing the scale in the same direction? Are they playing parallel? Same notes, same direction, up or down? Or are your hands moving in contrary motion? One hand going up the scale, the other hand going down the scale, like this. If you know where you're at in the formula pattern scale, then you can organize it, and it's a lot of fun. So take a look at the chart above, and you'll notice the first segment is up. So that's a parallel segment. The lines are kind of close together. So hands will move up 1 octave. Then we have the diamond out and in. Then the parallel again, up and down. Then another diamond out and in, contrary. And then finally ending with parallel going down. So we're going to lock all of those switches in with a series of short and long rhythms in the scale, and it will look like this. So start with Do on E. Here we go. Cross right hand under 3, left hand over with 3. Now right hand's going to continue on up, left hand changes direction, contrary motion, cross under 3 both hands. Then switch directions, contrary motion. Left hand's going to cross with 4, right hand change directions, parallel. Parallel, down. Cross under 3. Left hand's going to continue on down, right hand's going to change directions, contrary, out and in. Now in. Right hand cross with 4, coming down, parallel. Cross with 3. Now we're going to do that without the rhythm. So we're going to start with up, out, and in, up, and down, out, in, down. Now if you take a look at the chart above, you'll notice the only thing that changes when we switch from 2-octave formula pattern scales to 4 is the length of the segment. So when we were doing 2, each length was 1 octave. 1 octave up, out, in, up, down, out, in, and down. Now we're going to start 1 octave apart, but our segments are going to be 2 octaves. Then we have 2 octaves out, 2 octaves in, up, down, out, in, and down. Let's try it. 1 more octave, up, right hand keeps going, out, and contrary, in. 1 more octave, now up, and down. And left hand keeps going, right hand switch, out, and in. And right hand keep coming down. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play formula pattern scales in the key of E major. We covered 2 and 4 octaves. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.